All right, blind sniper here, just to talk a little bit. I got the Howa 111, 1100, excuse me, 1100 out here I shot today. Just got back from the gun shop, got it for a steal. Bought it from Bud's, paid $285 or $284 before taxes, and had it wired or sent to my local FFL. My local FFL had one, but they wanted $462 for it, so I saved quite a bit of money. And it come pre-set up with the scope on it. It's a Nicro Sterling 412 by 40 Game Pro scope on it, which I'm not that big of a fan of. It's good, it's crystal clear, no problems with that and all, but it's just for 22, I can't see what I'm shooting that great with. And plus I'm 65, so my eyesight ain't that great no more. So I got a 5 by 20 by 50 I'm gonna put on here, and that'll help me. But it's got the bull barrel. It's a great little gun, shoots good. I've shot 4 different kind of ammos through it, and only one done halfway decent, but I'm having trouble with my bipod on the front. Wants to keep coming loose. I got to look at it and find out what's going on. And that might be a reason my groups don't look that great, because I shot standard velocity. They didn't group worth 2 cents, but that's what I set the scope up with. They said it was preset, but of course it wasn't. I had to get it all set up. But groups look bad. They look so bad I don't even want to show them to you. The American Eagle Federal, it done okay, but not really that great. The groups were still too wide apart. The Wolf was real wide apart. I mean, it still needed to tighten up a whole lot. And the Federal Game Shot, it done pretty decent. I'd say it was probably, I'd say the best out of all of them was the standard velocity. I did get, when I shot a 5-round group, because I was shooting 10 out of each one. But when I did shoot a 5-round group out on this one, they were, I say, within an inch and a half at 50 yards. I'm doing all this at 50. But I think the barrel just needs more seasoning. And I used to not believe in seasoning a barrel. But it's not like it was during the old days when I was a child and Daddy bought me a gun. They didn't call it seasoning a barrel. You just make sure it was clean. And if it took a deer down, or you was able to shoot a rabbit with it or a squirrel with it, whatever, it was a good gun. It was a good gun. There wasn't none of this knocking the eyes out of an eagle at 100 yards or anything like that. I mean, nobody didn't care about half-inch groups, 0.3-inch groups, whatever. But it's got me wanting to do that now. And at my age, I really don't have too much more to do. So I think I'm gonna come out here every chance I get. But it's got to warm up a whole lot better than what it is right now, people, because it's 20-something degrees out here now, and I'm about to freeze to death doing this. But I wanted to check this gun out right quick. Straight from the shop, straight to the bench, or table rather, and testing it out. So anyway, like and subscribe if you can. Give me a chance. Let me show you a thing or two, and I'll try to get me some equipment where I can put cameras up like everybody else right now. I'm just doing it all off of a cell phone. But I enjoy it. I enjoy this. Peace and quiet out here. Nothing but the birds, just like when I'm deer hunting. But it's just, God, it's mighty cold, mighty cold. I've been praying to God to let the sunshine stay out for a little while longer. But I'm gonna shoot me a couple more rounds of this velocity from CCI, standard velocity, because it was so cheap. I bought quite a few boxes of it, and I could afford to waste it and season the barrel a little bit. So talk to y'all later. Wish you the best of luck. May God bless every one of you. And I'm here if you need me. If you want to talk about anything, just post, and we'll discuss it back and forth. I try to look to see if I